Ever wonder how large companies keep track of everything from inventory to payroll? It is all managed through a system called ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is essentially the central nervous system of a modern business. The main goal of an ERP is to consolidate all company data into one unified database, eliminating disconnected spreadsheets and siloed departments. By integrating these functions, a company can see real-time data across every department, making operations much more efficient. While small businesses might use separate apps, larger firms use ERPs to avoid the mess of disconnected systems. Implementing these systems often leads to significant time savings in data management and reporting accuracy. Remember, even the best software cannot fix broken internal processes. It is just a tool to help manage them better. Understanding these systems helps you see how businesses scale. Subscribe for more finance basics and check back for our next deep dive.